Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. Getting ready for going out. It's already morning. I'm gonna prepare my breakfast before I went out. So this after I wake up, I drink warm water to clean our stomach. So I drink 1 cup of water. Sorry. Then after, I'm gonna prepare coffee. This is my favorite drink in the morning. Coffee with coffee mate. I didn't put sugar. Coffee without sugar. Only this one. I put 1 teaspoon of coffee. 1 teaspoon of coffee. 1 teaspoon of coffee. And then 3 teaspoon of coffee mate. Here my coffee mate. So 1, 2, 3. Then after, I'm gonna boil hot water. So I put 100. And then I'm gonna toast my favorite sliced bread. This one mixed with milk. This one. I didn't one yet. So it's ready. Okay, then it's done already. And now I'm gonna pour hot water in my coffee cup. So mix well. And then I put the remaining water in the thermos. And that's it, guys. I'm on my way heading to the airport. I'm here on the expressway. I'm doing the S-Coast. Wow, beautiful places. Here on the expressway, a lot of buildings, trees, and look, very clean. It's night time, 7:33 in the evening Sunday. So now guys, masyado akong nag-enjoy sa pamamasyal. So time for going back home. It's already 8 o'clock. Pero maliwanag pa rin ang paligid. Pero mas marami ng binubuksang ilaw. Yung sa dulo dun, mga barko. So kailangan ko nang umuwi kasi about an hour pa ang aking biyahe. Mas maganda pala dito sa gabi. Yung hangin masyadong parang fresh na fresh. I have peace of mind.